All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Dogecoin family. You guys know we're going to be having a discussion around Doge, see what is happening with the price, and of course what is yet to come. But shout out to all the new subscribers that are coming and joining the Crypto ZX channel, and of course shout out to the Crypto ZX army that has been here from day one. Appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for all your support. Looking across the board going into Friday morning, the overall day today, of course, as of recording this update, we're actually past midnight, I would say, just past midnight. So yesterday, of course, Thursday, we did see the market kind of retrace down because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a retracement, which is very much needed, and in return, Bitcoin dominance shot up to a new yearly high. And we know that can have a little bit of an impact on the broader market in a little bit of a negative way, and that did end up happening. But again, just a quick reminder, we cannot be forgetting what has been happening with the crypto space over the past 1 week. Doge up 90+%, but over the last 1 hour, you're starting to see the market pick up traction. Just over the past 1 hour, market is picking up a little bit of a traction, which is of course really nice to see. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with Dogecoin's price right now, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, Dogecoin's price, 37.1 cents, down about 5% in USD and about 4.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 54.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still sky high, sitting at $18.6 billion. But let's take a closer look and really see what's happening with the broader meme coin market. So as far as the broader meme coin market is concerned, if you did watch my Pepe update, I kind of did highlight this, but if not, if you only watch these Dogecoin updates, obviously I will kind of go over what's happening. So you can see the broader market is actually down right now over the course of the last 24 hours. It's not just Doge. Pretty much everything is down. But, Doge seems to be holding much better than some of these other coins, which is quite impressive to see. And, it goes back to what we've said. The hype that Dogecoin has for itself right now is something that we have not seen for a long time. And, the move that we have seen over the course of the last few days is, just historic, monumental. But yeah, let's take a look at what is happening with the price right now. If you're looking at the dominance index, obviously you can see we did go up to the likes of 61.16%. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, Bitcoin looks amazing, right? But Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a retracement within its price. If I were to zoom in for you guys, you can see, kind of starting to show a little bit of a sideways momentum. Exactly what you want to be seeing. If I were to shift on the hourly time frame, you will understand what I really mean. You need to see a project, an asset class like Bitcoin. When it hits an all-time high, in price discovery mode, there's pretty much no support. So it's really important for this whichever asset class you're looking at to find a ground for itself and trade sideways to strengthen its support, and that's exactly what Bitcoin has been doing. We did see Bitcoin going down to the likes of $86,560, but since then has seen a little bit of an uptick within its price, which is nice to see. So never know what happens. Maybe at the time of recording this update right now, we are seeing Bitcoin sitting above $88,000. Maybe at the time of you watching this update, maybe Bitcoin has already smashed past an all-time high. That even would not come as a surprise. The reason as to why I say that is, look at this. We saw Bitcoin going to the likes of $90,000, wicked all the way down to 85, and then pumped up an additional 9.28%. So what makes us think that that can't happen this time around as well? So obviously I'll keep you guys covered. Pay very close attention to Bitcoin's price, and we'll take it from there. Are we about to see Bitcoin hit a six-figure price point before November comes to an end? I think that could honestly be a possibility, and it's not far-fetched. But with that said, let's understand what's happening with Dogecoin. I've been seeing some of the comments coming in recently, and it kind of makes me laugh, to be quite frank with you. The reason as to why I say this is because just based off of the small retracement that you're noticing within Dogecoin's price, we need to understand. And what these comments, when they come in, complaining about a small retracement, this is what you call greed. Forgetting about where the price of, Dogecoin was pretty much throughout almost a year of 2024. And then, after reaching some levels we haven't seen since 2021, people just completely forget about that fact. People just want to focus on why is a price seeing a little bit of a retracement. And that is a perfect example of what you call greed. I know not all people do that, but there are, some comments that I see which just make me laugh and trust me, with that type of mentality, you will get left behind. You want to understand nothing's going to go up straight forever. There's going to be retracements. There's going to be boring side momentums. If you're not okay with that, then I think crypto is not for you. But yeah, if you're looking at this, just a quick reminder to all the haters, from October 6th, you did see Dogecoin pump up 300%. Now let me repeat that again. From October 6th, which was last month, Dogecoin, if you picked or accumulated Dogecoin within that range, you are up 303% in just a matter of 1 month. And we're not talking about a small coin. We're talking about one of the biggest coins in the crypto space, ranked as a top 6 spot. So it tells you everything you need to know. But the Department of Government Efficiency, Donald Trump hiring the likes of Elon Musk, a huge advocate of that. And of course, Elon Musk is the main reason as to why the meme coin industry even exists in the crypto space, especially Dogecoin, presence in the top, levels as to what we have seen in the past. So of course, that is playing a huge role. Believe it or not, people don't understand what big of a magnitude that specifically has. Of course, we haven't really seen an integration to Twitter. Again, speculations are always going to fly around, but who knows what's going to happen? Maybe Elon Musk finally decides to start accepting Dogecoin, or start pretty much paying creators on X with Dogecoin, and that itself will be beyond bullish in my opinion. But right now it's nothing but pure speculation, but the price itself tells you everything you need to know. And I still do believe we do see a meme coin ETF, and I think it's going to be for Dogecoin, because look at the market valuation, guys, almost $60 billion. That is not a small valuation. If you compare some big companies around the globe, they don't even have a market cap of what Dogecoin has, and that tells you everything you need to know. But I'm really liking Dogecoin's price point right now. Let me just quickly shift our focus towards the hourly time frame. So of course we know what happened. Doge went up to the likes of 43.8 cents just 3 days back. Since then, saw a retracement of about 20%, and we actually retested this key support line, which I was talking to you guys about the significance of the support pretty much 3 different times, 2 times today. And of course, actually, we retested 4 different times. So we've been bouncing back and forth above that key support, pretty much giving us a confirmation as to how important the support really has been for the price of, Dogecoin. And of course, before it was a resistance, but now it is playing as a major level of support. Really nice to see, and really nice to see this sideways momentum playing out. Kind of playing a sideways momentum within the 0.50 before heading towards the upside. And I think the next leg up for Dogecoin could actually lead it into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. The reason why I think that is because if I would take you guys down memory lane and really make you guys understand, oopsies, we're going to get rid of this. I want you guys to understand Dogecoin's price point. So pretty much after you break out of the 0.50 fib zone, we do have resistance around the 45 cents where we pretty much retested just a few days ago. If this is able to break out, I think Dogecoin flies into the 23.6 quite fast, which again is a very important level. I treat this as an all-time high zone. And after that, I think we could be making some history for Doge and, seeing an all-time high. And again, I think this is going to leave a lot of people speechless. And speaking about leaving people speechless, it has already left a lot of people speechless. But nonetheless, doesn't matter if Dogecoin is going to hit a dollar price point. Doesn't matter if Dogecoin is going to go much higher. Lock-in profits never hurts. If you're looking at your portfolio right now and you're losing your sleep because, the money that you have in your portfolio is too much that you cannot afford to lose, your boy Crypto ZX will continue to remind you that this is the best chance for you to lock some profits. And no matter how high the price of Dogecoin or any other asset goes, profit is profit at the end of the day. Once you realize that, you will succeed in this market quite a bit. But if you let the emotions get the best of you, then most of the time your profits get burned out as well. But let me know down below what you guys think. I'm loving what I'm seeing with Dogecoin. Really bullish moves, and the momentum is still very strong. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.